Withdrawing funds held by Facebook can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Access your Facebook account. Log into your Facebook account using your credentials. Ensure that you have access to the account associated with the funds you wish to withdraw. Step 2. Navigate to the payment settings. Once logged in, go to the settings menu. Look for the payments or payouts section, which will provide you with information about your current balance and withdrawal options. Step 3. Select withdrawal method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter withdrawal amount. Input the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure that it does not exceed your available balance. Review any fees associated with the withdrawal method you selected. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Review all the details of your withdrawal request and confirm the transaction. You should receive a confirmation notification once the withdrawal is processed. After completing these steps, keep an eye on your chosen payment method for the arrival of your funds. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Facebook support for assistance.